the Kenyan. For the Kenyans, yeah, habari, habari. Bana nzuri. So follow me. That take you to the Statue of Unity. So you can see behind me here, there are a lot of people around. So I got friends of mine, and we are hanging out here, and the feeling is awesome. So yeah, boy. See that? Loud. All right. All the way from Zambia.
All the way from Zambia. Cool, man. It's looking awesome, interesting and fascinating to me here. There are so many nationalities coming here, enjoying the video of, Statue of Unity. Look at this one, World's tallest statue. It's awesome, it's really, wow, so huge and massive, Wow.
We are going to do
beatbox now.
This place, guys, is awesome. This is an awesome place to be at. Don't forget the fact that these guys can build. These guys can really build nice places. And yeah, we're having some fun out here. If you want to have fun, come here. So we're very, very tired because we have to go up the staircase just to go. We are sweating. The weather is raining out here, so we just need to go. But it's beneficial.
Yeah, it's true. It's true, really.
Say something to the country people.
Yeah.
My country, Zambia.
My country. Yeah, bro, cool.
Yeah, now let me tell you the facts. So, this is what you're looking at here. We're not the tallest building statue in the world. It's 500 years old. It's built as well. Man behind the progress of India. He fought for the freedom of India without using any values, right? So he's the biggest hero that he was elected. My country, was one of the forefathers of Zambia. I can tell you that this man here has gangs of good luck.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Wow! I can't believe it, it's unbelievable, Oh, it's so huge, you can see the food is, yeah, Sardar Patel. It's so huge. Enormous, It's massive.
Peace out.
Hello, what's up, cool? I'm Sridhar. Today I'm here at the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. As you can see over there, the world's tallest statue. It is more than 500 feet tall. So I have my friends here. Can you please How are you feeling right now?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, feeling awesome, you know, as you can see, the food is just so massive and huge, you know.
This is so big.
Yum!
This is so big. I can barely stand as tall as the foot of this statue. This is a world figure. This is a world wonder, and this place is very beautiful. Like you can check it out. Look at how
Yeah,
tall
look
it
at
is.
this one.
Look at how huge it is. We are barely reaching the limbs of this statue, and we're really having a good time in India. This is the place where you have to come. This is the place you have to visit. Yeah.
It's really, massive, unbelievable, this place is awesome. So many people are visiting this place, I'm just, introducing and recommending you all to visit this place. This is a must visit statue in the world. The world's tallest statue, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He's one of the most freedom fighter and the legend of Indian freedom fighter. He has united all the Indian free states with more than 500 free states in India. And he was such a powerful man. He was able to unite all those free states. Such a marvelous and a great individual. Jai Bharat, Jai Statue Unity. It's so massive. So look at here. So many tourists are coming here. And the size of food is really massive. Really, it fills me a lot. It's really heart-touching, interesting to see so many others. Thank you.
Alright, hi guys. So I just want to state a quick fact about the Statue of Unity. Alright, so it is 182 meters, as you can see, and also this was inaugurated around October 31 in 2018. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is India's Iron Man, they say, and the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister as well. So you could do a lot of things and activities at the Statue of Unity. One of the things is that it's well connected, and you have also like buses and other stuff to drive you through the whole place. So some of the activities you can do, like gallery viewing, Jurassic Park, which is the jungle safari. You can also do the Ekta cruise, which is basically the beautiful boat that you can ride on the Narmada River and all that. And also you can view the garden flowers, and also you can do a lot of you can also watch the laser light and a sound show, which happens actually in the evening. Yeah, so I have to mention that the Statue of Unity is open for visiting only on Tuesdays and up to Friday. So Mondays actually and the weekend it is closed. So, and also you can see here that the people there, they're very welcoming, and locals are very beautiful, they are lovely, friendly, and just a whole lot of diverse people coming from all sort of culture. As you know, India has a very huge diverse culture across their country. Yeah, so if you want to know about the prices, you can check out. If you go there, you find the map and the location that tells you which places to visit, how much the cost for each place that you can visit, and how much also you're gonna pay for the activities. So I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I hope you enjoy it and you love it. And so please just remember to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more of content like this for you also in the future. Thank you very much guys, and see you.
I'm here at the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. As you can see right there, look at here, the world's Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. And as you can see here, there are so many tourists coming here. the Indian freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has united all the princess states, and is so much contribution in the field of unity and diversity. He was able to unite all the princess states. It was so amazing to feel find so many people around here, people looking so curious, funny to me. How is that? It feels cool and interesting, fascinating. Now I will pick up random people and they will talk about what they are feeling right now. Bhaiji, can you please अब अभी क्या समझ रहा है? अभी अब स्टैचू यूनिटी में ना अब क्या समझ आ रहा है? अच्छा ये कैसा है? स्टैचू यूनिटी कैसा है? बढ़िया कैसा? बहुत बढ़िया है ना? Is that? Oh, he was so happy, enjoy. Oh, it was so awesome, Now I will pick up random people, and he's also, letting me to take picture, He's taking a picture. Have a cheese? Oh, nice, awesome. Now I'm going to pick up random people, and let's see. Now I'm going to choose random people. Hello, can you please come here? Ekta Nagar. Masti. Oh, so what he was saying, what I feel right now.
This place is so awesome. Trust me, this place is a place that you have to be at. It's a Statue of Unity.
Yeah, Statue of Unity. Oh, there, अब कैसा है? अभी कैसा है? बढ़िया है? कैसा है? बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया है ना? Oh, he's taking his selfie.
Statue of Unity अच्छा लगा।
बहुत बढ़िया,
सब लोगों को सेल्फी लेना है। बुलाना है।
It's cool, Thank you so much, It's so really massive, beautiful. Can you please subscribe?
Hey everybody, how are you? The name is Narmada all the way from Zambia. I'm currently in India right now and I'm viewing the Statue of Unity. Take a look at that. This is the world's tallest statue. You can never find it anywhere. You can never find it anywhere. So I'm out here, I'm trying to blow this place out. You can check it out. And we got a number of things over here. We got green vegetation surrounding us. Look at that. It's a really, really beautiful place. You need to be here. Okay, I'm being accompanied by a number of people from different countries, different nationalities, all gathered here just to come and see the Statue of Unity live from Gujarat, India. You can come and check this place out. And one thing you have to know is that it's not only the Statue of Unity. We got a museum downstairs. And let me just take you around. You can meet Janet Mwamba here. She's Zambian. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Are you enjoying your time here?
Yeah, I'm enjoying my time here.
Okay, what do you love about this place? You can subscribe to the channel and thank you for joining us today. Oh, all right. No, this is very, very beautiful. Yeah. And then let me just talk to some random people over here. Can I talk to you, sir? Yeah. All right. How are you? Good. I'm good. Are you loving the place here? Yeah. Okay. Where'd you come from? Okay. What's the name? Satya. Oh, okay. Can you say something to the viewers?
Yeah, the only thing I can say is I'm loving this 182 meters.
Okay. It's pretty nice.
This is the world's tallest statue, and his name is none other than the great Indian freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the great land of India has produced such a prominent leader, Indian freedom fighter, and his role is so massive that he has united all the princess states all together. There were more than 500 princess states, and India is actually a land of unity and diversity. He is able to unite all those things, and it is also a magnificent statue. So we have to appreciate and admire his legacy achievements so far that India has witnessed. Because of his contribution and achievements, India is able to unite after independence. We are very fortunate to be happy here. I'm so awesome and I'm so happy to be here. So what I'm requesting is that please, I'm just recommending you that please visit this place. This place is really awesome, and so many tourists and foreigners, Indians especially, visiting this place just because they've been patriotic and towards the nation. It's really remarkable here. As you can see, there are more and more people are coming here to witness this statue. It's so superb and amazing. It touches my heart a lot. It's interesting to be here. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
No, I'm going there now. You have to go there.
What do you want to say to him? What do you want to say to him? Anything you want to say to him? Anything? Yeah.
Let's take a photo.
Oh, okay. It's photo. I was taking a video.
You're taking a video.
Yeah.
Say something to the Zambian people.
Hi. Habari.
For the Kenyans. For the Kenyans. Yeah, habari. Bana nzuri. Nzuri sana.